If you want to quickly check the size of a game in GOG Galaxy before installing it, this is the easiest way to do it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find the required disk space for any game in your library, so you can make sure you have enough room on your drive before you start the download. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick gaming tips and software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open GOG Galaxy on your computer and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're inside the app, go over to your owned games library. This is where all the games tied to your GOG account are listed, so you can browse everything you already own in one place. Now, find the game you want to check the size for and click on it. This opens the game's main page inside GOG Galaxy. From here, you'll see options like Play, Install, or more details, depending on whether the game is already installed or not. To see the disk space requirement, click the Install button. As soon as you click Install, a window will appear with the installation details. One of the most important things shown here is the required disk space. That number tells you the game's size, so you can immediately see how much storage the game will need on your system. This is really useful if you're managing a smaller SSD, trying to organize multiple installs, or just want to avoid running out of space halfway through. If you're checking several games, you can repeat the same process for each title in your library. Just open the game, click Install, and look for the required disk space information in the pop-up window. It's a fast and simple method, and you don't need to actually begin the installation just to find out how large the game is. So to recap, open GOG Galaxy, go to Owned Games, select the game you want, click Install, and then read the required disk space shown in the window. That's your game size. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.